watch the proverbial sunrise coming up over the Pacific, and you might think I'm losing my mind, but I will shy away from the specifics, 'cause I don't want you to know where I am, 'cause then you'll see my heart in the saddest state it's ever been. And this is no place to try and live my life. That's exactly where I lost it, where I never should have crossed it, where I never should have said that. It's the very moment that I wish that I could take back. I'm sorry for the person I became. I'm sorry that it took so long for me to change. I'm ready to be sure I never become that way again, 'cause who I am made to have been, who I am made to have been. I talked to absolutely no one, couldn't keep to myself enough, and the things bottled inside had finally begun to create so much pressure that I'd soon blow up. And I heard the reverberating footsteps sinking up to the beating of my heart, and I was positive that unless I got myself together, I would watch me fall apart. And I can't let that happen again, 'cause then you'll see my heart in the saddest state it's ever been. This is no place to try